Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue, I found code P0420, which indicates catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. This code often points to a problem with the catalytic converter, so I began investigating. First, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. I focused on the oxygen sensors, the upstream sensor, B1S1, and the downstream sensor, B1S2. Normally, the downstream sensor should show relatively stable readings compared to the upstream sensor, which fluctuates more. However, in this case, both sensors showed nearly identical readings. This indicated that the catalytic converter wasn't storing oxygen efficiently, a key function for reducing emissions. Next, I visually inspected the catalytic converter for any external damage, such as dents, cracks, or discoloration. Everything appeared fine on the outside, so I moved on to testing the converter's internal performance. Using a non-contact pyrometer, I measured the temperatures at the catalytic converter's inlet and outlet while the engine was running. A healthy catalytic converter should have a higher outlet temperature than the inlet, as the chemical reactions inside generate heat. However, in this case, the inlet temperature was higher than the outlet temperature, confirming that the catalytic converter was internally faulty and not functioning as it should. The solution was to replace the catalytic converter. After installing the new converter, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed another road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new codes appeared. This repair demonstrates the importance of proper testing and diagnostics. By using tools like a scan tool and a pyrometer, I was able to confirm the issue without unnecessary guesswork. If you're dealing with a P0420 code, following these steps can help you accurately identify and resolve the problem.